Welcome back. Today we're going to devein our shrimp. First we get our knife and also our paper towel as usual. We're going to take the legs off by using a finger or a knife. Cut the tail off and peel the shell, the scale from the inner side of the shrimp outwards down to the tail of the shrimp. You're then going to use a knife to cut open the center middle part of the shrimp and take the black lining in it, take it out. That's called the vein, and that's what you call deveining. It's best if you do it from the inside out, top to bottom. That way you get a more easier pull off. You can take the tail off first and then use the legs, take the legs off, or you take the leg off and do the tail. It doesn't matter, it doesn't come in any order, but just the way how to do it. This is the way if you want to do it to cook the shrimp, but not to do the peppered shrimp. In peppered shrimp, they leave on the scale of the shrimp. The more you do it, the easier it will, you will get the understanding of it, and it'll be easier for you to get it done. Take the vein out, you devein the shrimp. Another way to do this is you can hold the tail of the shrimp, pull, and then peel around. That way the legs will also come off with the shell of the shrimp. Hold firm onto the tail of the shrimp, squeeze, tug, pull. the scale and the tail will be off just the same. There you have it. That's how to clean the shrimp. Now we're gonna wash the shrimp by putting some water, room temperature water, not too hot, not too cold, and we had a little bit of lemon juice to cut the rawness or whatever that is on the shrimp. Wash away all that is not needed on the shrimp. Give it a little stir. Let the water circulate on the shrimp. You pour that water off. You rinse the lemon juice off. You can rinse as often as you can to make sure you get a pure, clean water and your shrimp looking clean and fresh. So there you have it, even clean shrimp. Okay, thanks for watching.